little flounder, but it's too small, so now I have to let it go. I'm not even gonna measure, it's very, very small. Okay. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Okay, I'll help you, okay? It's very tiny, so I'm gonna